Guys, I'm just back from school. Oh my gosh. The whole area at the gate was flooded. Another update of rain in Hyderabad. Let me show you. I don't know if you can hear that, but my camera is not too clear. Oh my gosh. Every single area, there's actually a lake right there. That's how I get my beauty view. And it is, oh my gosh, literally it is full with water. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, I can't go right now. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, I don't have any protection on me. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, my planes died, my plants died, they're flooded.